Hello, today I will be teaching how to make the slip knot. So the slip knot is what you use to start most of the crochet projects. That's what we're going to do. So you grab the yarn and the hook that you want to use. So you hold the end of the yarn with your dominant hand and point your pointy finger from the other hand like that. So you wrap the yarn around your pointy finger twice and leave the ends hanging. So I have the end here, we call this the tail, and the other end is connected to my yarn ball here. So I'll leave them both hanging. I like to leave, a bigger tail here, so I have some left over to wave the ends. So I wrap it twice here. I'll hold the two ends with my thumb so they're not going anywhere. I'll grab the last one, the closer to my hand here, and I'll move it on top of my other. Hold it here so it doesn't go back. And then you grab the other one, pull it, and move it out of your finger. So now you let go. Do not remove this loop from your finger. Grab the two ends and pull it. So this is what we call the slip knot. It's a knot that can decrease the size when you pull the long end, the end that is connected to your yarn ball. See? So if you pull it, you make it smaller. If you pull like this, you make it bigger. If you put the end, the tail, you make this knot here tighter. So we don't want to make it super tight, otherwise it will be hard for you to regulate. So you can pull it a little bit, but not too much. And then you put your hook inside. You adjust this knot so it's not too tight, it's nice and loose on your hook. And then you can start your project here. So this is the foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, let's do it again. So I'll do faster now. You hold the end, point your finger and wrap it around your finger twice. Hold the two ends with your thumb. Grab the first one, put on top of the other one, grab the second one, pull it out of your finger, grab the two ends and pull it. There you have it. Your slip knot ready to start your project. Okay, that's it.